YouTube new policy updates. What you need to know before it's too late. My fellow creators, YouTube has quietly updated their community guidelines and monetization rules. And if you didn't act fast, this will get your channel demonetized, strike, or even banned. But let's take a look at the policies that were changed. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 major things that are changed. So now, watch out and see. I'm going to talk about what is changed, how it affects you, and what to do to stay safe, so that you will not be your channel will not get hit by missile. So let's dive in. What's changed in YouTube new policy? These are the things that are changed and very vital. 1. AI content rules have been modified. Compilation of videos have been affected. Then reuse content has been affected too. So I don't know why YouTube is doing this, but I think they just want to gain the trust again, because me and you know that a lot of junks are filling on YouTube, and all the name of making money. People don't longer go for quality something or quality content. People just push out junks into the YouTube, and space is not enough, because we that has quality content want space, so they are going to flush people out to regain trust, so that those who create quality content can have the dividends of their labor. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. So we don't blame them. So now, those are the 3 things that they have changed the rules. If you are using AI generation content, you have to label it clearly, because YouTube have make a provision during upload whether this AI content or a natural content. So if your video is AI content, you should know what to do. Label it as AI content. Then on a compilation videos or a reuse content, YouTube has changed the rule. You need to make a meaningful commentary on that video you want to reuse. A very effective impact on it. So this will make YouTube to know that you are making use of a content but modifying it in such a way that it will help others. So now, not like putting just this copy like that without making any changes, copyright issue, so many things like that. Carrying this video, join this one, and push it into the YouTube. So YouTube are having problem in doing this, and that is why the new policy has come up. So now, how does this affect you? It affects you if you did not edit your video correctly. YouTube might see it as unoriginal content, and you might risk demonetized. So now, if you have a video in your channel like that, you have to work on it, or you delete it, so that you will not get hit come 15 July 2025. So this policy will be officially signed in on this date. So now, then If you are using AI content, this is what you do. You need to use your original voice on that AI content. Don't use the way it is all from AI. You generated the video from AI, you generate the voiceover from 11 Lab, for example, then everything about it is AI, and you push it in like that. You have to label it as AI during upload in YouTube, because YouTube has made a provision for them through the author content. So, and again, if you use everything AI, you will be monetized. And let me tell you, all these rules doesn't affect a singular video or individual video. It affects a channel. It affects a channel. So now, if you as a person generate the content using AI, you need to put your own voice, use your own natural voiceover to make it real, to make it look original, to make it look not just AI things, because YouTube is getting cracked down on this. Then, those of you that are using compilation video means, or a reaction video, something like you get a video from here, you get this one from here, you got this one, you compile it like 10 or 20 and use it as your own video and push it into the YouTube. So YouTube is now telling you that you have to make a meaningful commentary, something that adds value to people before you push it in, or else you are risking monetization, or your channel will be striped. Not an individual video, but the whole of your channel. You can't imagine all what you have labored for so many years just go down the rain like that. No. But I got your back with this. This is what you do. Go into your channel. Any of your videos that you know that is against this new policy, go straight and delete it or make amendment, or change the author content to AI content if it's AI content. And if it's a compilation video and you have never had any comment, you can delete it, re-edit it, give it a meaningful edit, then add your own commentary, meaningful commentary, something that adds value, then you will upload it. So this will make your channel to be safe from their misery. So now, again, if you know you got value in this video, hit the subscription button so that you can get new updates anytime I publish any video. Anytime I publish a new video, comment below. I have read the new YouTube policy. So now, so that we can stay safe, because what is happening now, a lot of YouTubers haven't known it yet, and this is going to hit back. This is going to hit badly on creators. So, like as I've said, I didn't blame YouTube. They just want to regain trust, because you and I know that a lot of junks already full in YouTube. So YouTube are not like other social media or other video social media. So they are trying to regain trust. Let's also help them to gain the trust of the people. This video is getting too long, so let me stop it here. You need to take action now before it's too late. Share this video so that other creators can see it and make amendment to their channel, so that they will not lose their effort for so many years. Please, I want you to subscribe so that you can get new updates. And also watch out the next video, which I'm going to show you how to monetize without YouTube monetization, without YouTube access. What I mean is this: how to monetize your YouTube channel without waiting for monetization. Yes, it's called affiliate. That is my next video. Thank you. Stay safe and let your channel stay safe too.